Good day viewers, you are welcome. Let's solve this viral math challenge. We have x power x equals 2 power of 8 raised to power of 3. But this looks very simple, and similarly, where can we start? We only need the knowledge of exponential rules and some basic manipulations. To start with, we have 8 power of 3. This looks like a power tower. 2 is raised to power 8 and 8 also raised to power of 3. Starting from that, we are going to have 8 power 3 multiplying 3 times 8 multiplied by 8. But we are not interested to press the values, so just try and replace this, as we have x power x equals 2 power of 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. Then I'm going to express this 8 in form of 2 multiplied by 3. So here we have x power x equals 2 power of, we call this 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8. Then multiply by 8 multiplied by 8. And by rule of exponent, we can just try and split this. So by splitting this, we have x power x equals, this gives us 2 power 2, then all raised to power 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. In the next step, we have x power of x equals 2 power of 2, that gives us 4. Then here we have 4 raised to power 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. And in the next steps, if you have 4 times 8, so what I need here is very simple. Here we are going to consider splitting 8 and 8 as well. So by splitting that, we have x power x equals 4 raised to power 4 multiplied by 8. Here we can write it as 2 times 4 multiplied by, also the second 8 is 2 times 4. And with this, we have x power x equals 4 raised to power 4 times, so here is 2 times 4 times 2 times 4. Then we are going to multiply this together as x power x equals 4 power of, you want everything to be in times of 4, so here is 4 times 2 times 2, that is 4 times 4 times 4. But if you have 4 times 4 times 4 according to the power rule, so 4 times 4 times 4, it gives us 4 raised to power of 4. So therefore, we are going to rewrite this as x power x equals 4 raised to power 4 raised to power 4. So when we try to compare this, this is 4, this is 4, and this is 4. Therefore, the value of x here equals 4. X equals 4 is the final answer to this problem. How do you solve this? Do you apply the same manipulation, or you think of different thing? Let's hear in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.